Why?
Hey y'all, we back with another video. We're gonna be trying some Asian snacks. I can't say whether they're Korean, Chinese, Japanese, or this one Japanese. Snacks that we got from the Asian market the other day, yesterday, whatever day. We got takoyaki balls.
I picked those.
They're Japanese style barbecue sauce flavored corn puffs. These are Karu Mucho corn snacks, spicy curry. I picked this one. And we got Pushu. And these are noodle snacks. It's bulgogi flavor. I like bulgogi. That's why I got that. Anyways, we're going to start with the takoyaki balls. God damn. Open, please.
Japanese style barbecue.
Smells barbecue.
These motherfuckers good.
I'll go with it. I eat it. Imagine a barbecue Cheeto. That's what it tastes like to me. Oh my god, he's dipping it in ranch. He's weird.
Don't tell him what I'm over here doing.
Yeah.
You weird.
Okay. I give these a 7 out of 10.
9.
7. For me.
9, so they in between 8.
Try the spicy curry chips. I hate they try to pull them open from the side, but
No, you just weak as hell.
maybe you do the same thing. This is what they look like. They literally look like little Cheetos. Now that's a 9. It's got the kick. It's got the crunch. And I love curry, so that's a hit for me. He's dipping it in ranch.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, they're
I like these better.
Wow, this is those nasty fried ramen snacks.
It says don't boil it, smash it. And I'll punch it up a little bit, like it says.
Yeah, let's put this shit in the microwave with some water.
No. Now these open regular. Oh my god, it comes with a seasoning pack.
Look at it.
When it tastes good dry, I might boil these for you. I feel like it'll make a good boiled noodle.
probably won't come out right if you boil them. They've been fried.
This one, I'd rate this one 8.2.
I rate this one 10.
10 out of 10. 1,000 out of 10.
Some of this is a 10.
No. No.
10. 20.
How we doing an international snack video and he's showing y'all regular stuff?
It's good international.
Where?
See, if you think about it. You don't care no more.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment, everything. And we need all the subscribers we can get.
Subscribe to my channel. Snipe Gets Baked.
It's not for children. Don't subscribe if you're a child.
It's SNIPEGETSBAKED.
To a more kid-friendly channel. It's not kid-friendly, like it's not just for kids, but my channel is Grow with Glow. Easy, simple. Grow with Glow. That's it. GROWWITHGRO. Bye.